Hi STEM Prep families, I am Mrs. Bettis, and this is a how-to tutorial on how to leave a meeting and rejoin, and how to join a breakout room during our Zoom session. Now, sometimes we've had instances where our Zoom video might freeze, or our sound might not work, or sometimes Zoom just kicks us out of our session. So in order to rejoin, what you need to do is open up the schedule and you are going to look for the subject that you are on or the Zoom session that you are on. Go to the link, click on the link like you normally would, and then it will direct you to the meeting that you are in. Once we see that you are in the waiting room and that you have rejoined us, we will let you back into the session. Now, at times there have been instances where the person that is having the technical difficulties is the teacher. During this time, teachers have instructed students to wait. We will let another adult know that we are having those technical difficulties, and the other adult will come and join our Zoom sessions until we are able to rejoin. During Zoom sessions, sometimes we will put students in breakout rooms. Sometimes they will be there to work with another student in groups or to work with another teacher. In order to join a breakout room, the teacher will have given the student a room. The student will see this pop up on their screen. And it says, the host is inviting you to join breakout rooms. It's breakout room 1. Each breakout room might have a different number. What the student must do is click on join. This will take them back to the breakout room that they have been assigned to. Then the student will see this that says join breakout rooms, breakout room 1. This may take a few minutes. So it may take a couple of minutes for the room to open, where the student will see the other members of their group, or they will meet with the teacher. After, when the teacher has decided to end the groups, the students will see this on their screen where it says breakout rooms will close in 60 seconds. You will be returned to the main session automatically. Or the students may click on leave now and they will leave the breakout room. If they do not click leave now, within 60 seconds they will return to the main room where they will see this until they are in the main room with the teacher and the rest of the class. I hope that this how-to tutorial has answered some of your questions. Thank you.